Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Thailand. On the menu is Thai coconut lime fish. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. Evening mise en place in order of appearance. All the goodies for the potatoes. All the goodies in the bowl ready to be mixed. And into a baking dish they go, ready for the hot box. Here's the tilapia with the marinade goodies. Here's the tilapia marinating. Heating up some oil in a saute pan. I add the tilapia and flip to the second side. Tilapia is removed, partially cooked and set aside. Then I add the ginger, the garlic, and the shallot and saute. And then I add the kefir lime leaves and the chili. Then I add the coconut milk and start to stir to combine. Then I add all the rest of the goodies for the sauce. Here's the completed sauce. I reintroduce the tilapia. And we're going to poach it between about 5 to 7 minutes depending on the fish. Here's the potatoes out of the hot box. Here's the tilapia finished. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Have fun cooking.